Welcome to a whirlwind tour of 5 random and interesting facts. First stop, ever had a brain freeze? Its scientific name is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? Next, we jet off to Canada, where in 2009, a unique law was passed. Canadians say sorry so often that an apology can't be used as evidence of guilt. Talk about politeness to the max. Now, let's travel back in time to when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Did you know there were volcanoes erupting on the moon? Imagine that sight. For our fourth fact, we delve into science. The only letter you won't find on the periodic table is J. Who'd have thought? Finally, a glimpse into human behavior. Intelligent humans often find themselves easily annoyed by others, but they choose silence to avoid meaningless arguments. Sound familiar? And that's our quickfire tour of 5 random and interesting facts. Until next time.